So the new lock came. It's from Aerofast, made in New Zealand, and it is very strong, very, very durable, and I'm loving it so far. This bolt is just, I mean, unmovable. It's super strong, and it goes right into this plastic block here. The trouble I'm having, I'm wanting it to fit onto this bar and close in on here, on this straight piece of the bar. They're pretty much parallel to each other, here and here. The problem I'm having is this black cable right here. This is one of the back brake cables. And what I find is when I put it on here, it wants to clasp on and match like exactly. It wants to go exactly in there. That adjustable piece right there, that's really all that's in the way. It's perfect for the brake bar, but it's kind of pinching this black brake cable. So if you can see it right there, what I want to do is I want to Dremel just really thinly right there. And the black cable can't move down to be a part of the bar, but it also can't go up. It's just because of this ferrule, it doesn't want to go up or down, but it does want to wiggle a little bit. There's a little bit of give to it. So I'm thinking if I cut right against this edge right there, then I'll have kind of two channels, one for the brake itself, and then the other channel kind of in this little groove right here, and that will go right through for the brake cable itself. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's stick this on here. It'll go up and in like this, close in on both of those, and snap. Oh man, oh look at that. Holy cow. Oh, that's beautiful. So I can turn the wheel, but I can't do anything with this lock, or with the brake. That is so good. And then I stick the key right here, give it a turn, and we're unlocked. Oh, that's too good. And then while we're riding, we could just leave it on the handlebar, just kind of right there. Oh, that's perfect. Perfect! Yes! Just one minor modification and it worked perfectly now. My only concern is these goofy little rubber pieces keep falling out. So I think I'm going to glue these in place. I think I'll find the two that are the right size for what I need. Awesome.